Is this recording? Yeah, it is, Sergio. Cybertruck is here, guys. There's not a lot to say other than that. And I know, how cheesy would it be if we just make a, oh, we're getting the Cybertruck delivery video. Do you think we should just do that?
No, we gotta do something fun. We waited 4 years for this day.
And I was hoping you would say that, Sergio. I have a little treat for you.
Oh, no.
I got a little treat for you. I think what we should do is go there and see if we can fool the Tesla team into thinking you're Salomondrin. And I'll be Sergio. And today's gonna be your day, dude, by the way.
Today's my day.
Today's your day because you'll be able to treat me exactly the way I treat you and display
I
that.
love domestic abuse.
And
I'm kidding.
very ditty what you just said. Very ditty.
What makes a good Alejandro? Like, do you have any tips or anything?
I have even something better for you.
Yeah.
I have Belen that's gotten ready, and she's gonna give you all of the Alejandro tools that you're gonna need right now. And yeah, so let's start there. Let's get you ready. Let's get your transformation done. And,
I'm scared.
Let's go.
I'm scared.
We've teletransported ourselves to the closet with
My
Belen.
office.
To your office, baby. So Belen is a stylist, just so everybody knows, and I'm
Style
sure
by Belen?
everybody knows. Style by Belen is right,
Yeah,
Sergio.
yeah.
Hey, and I asked you if you could please dress up Sergio as Salomondrin. So I want to know what makes a Salomondrin. I want you to pull the elements
Forgot
from
the
here.
clown fit.
Exactly.
The what?
The clown fit. You know, I need the makeup,
Here's
the
thing.
wig.
I do like dress him, so like I am responsible for the way he.
She's making fun of it. So he's making fun of it.
I know, but sometimes when I don't like help you select an outfit, they are a little.
I know the days that you don't
outrageous.
dress them.
Exactly. So, let's get into this. All right. So we're gonna get
What makes a Salomondrin outfit?
what makes a sweetie outfit.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we're gonna do some joggers. Okay. We're gonna do these joggers.
Okay.
Those are nice.
All right.
They're okay. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go bright.
Oh, no. I really like that.
We're
Does he
gonna
have
go
to wear
bright.
that?
We're gonna go bright.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Good, Sergio.
You're
You
not
need
gonna
it.
take me at the dealership looking
If
like
we're
this.
committing, we're committing.
You're Salomondrin
good.
now.
I am
actually,
Salomondrin. I
I'm
have-
actually dressing you a little bit more like what he would select, because we're gonna really go for it for this episode.
So you're saying the dumb version of me is what you're gonna put on
It's
Sergio?
gonna be very loud.
Okay, sounds
And you're
good.
finally gonna look good.
All right, now we're going to the most important part.
Okay, my chonies.
Your socks.
Oh.
We did just get a fresh pair of
Oh, those
socks.
are nice.
So
Don't give him the nice ones.
Do I gotta keep these?
I don't think so.
I think we're gonna go with these.
Those are great.
Okay.
Yeah, those are great.
You know how
Alright.
much I hate like
Now we're
public
gonna
embarrassment.
do a t-shirt.
That's why I
classic.
love this.
I'm already getting red just thinking about being in a dealership looking like this.
Shameless plug. This is an OG
Belen.
style
Yeah.
by Belen.
Look at you, huh?
Perfect.
That's not so
T-shirt.
shameless, Belen.
And then the shoes.
Oh boy.
So we're
The best
going
part.
we're going neon. Okay.
Oh, okay. I know which ones you're gonna. Yeah, exactly.
We're going neon. They're a little dirty, but we're going
You give me
neon.
dirty shoes.
And now we need to pick a watch.
A watch. Where?
That's what I gotta take home, right?
I got one.
What would my sweetie wear with this look?
Let me see.
I'm looking like a Highlander over here.
What are you thinking?
Probably the one with the orange. I gave Pato one, but this one has orange and this one has orange
Yeah.
and green. I think this one.
Okay.
I think this is
Oh,
right.
boy.
Color coordinating.
I think this is right. Yeah. Look. I mean,
And
it
then we'll
goes
do
well.
a hat.
Of
Sounds
course.
good.
We'll
Of
do
course.
black. I'm gonna keep it like classy.
I need some black sunglasses too, you know?
Oh, they're downstairs.
Oh,
The
boy.
sunnies are downstairs.
All right. We'll do those last.
I'm already feeling embarrassed. Yeah, I'm already feeling like I look red on
sweaty?
camera.
Good.
A little bit. Yeah.
He is. You ready?
No. Are you ready for your look?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I feel like I look like a clown, no offense.
Well, that's an offense.
That's
Your transformation was so weak. I think I can do one better. All right, I'm gonna turn into Sergio through an 80s throwback, well, 90s throwback to my people that saw the Power Rangers, and we're gonna do a little There you go.
wow.
Now I'm Sergio.
You never looked better.
I was gonna say
You
about
never.
you.
I don't know about me.
Let's fucking.
We gotta book it.
Let's roll. Let me film you, sir. Ready.
Oh, this is so embarrassing.
What? Hey, what do you mean embarrassing? I think you look fantastic. You better be careful. You're gonna have girls calling all over you the minute you step out
I
this
don't know about
door.
that.
Oh my god.
You just like, you look like you're gonna go fishing. What
Hey,
happened?
well, this is what Sergio looks like.
What happened to your beard?
Well, my
Also,
mustache.
can you guys
Sergio had
like?
the mustache.
You're stepping on the Hermes blanket.
It's
Like
okay.
what?
It's okay. We gotta go. We
Hey,
gotta
sweetie, be quiet, sweetie.
Good. Oh, how dare you say that, Alejandro? But
You look like Mario Brothers.
This is fucking gross. Now everyone at Tesla.
do you mean gross?
My legs, dude. Everyone at Tesla's gonna have to see
No one's
these.
seen your pencil legs before.
Everyone's
That's right.
gonna have to see that. That is terrible. I apologize to everyone. I hope YouTube doesn't demonetize the video.
Imagine.
Can I just say you play a fantastic Salomondrin,
Thank you.
Sergio Mondrin.
Thank you.
You look great. You're driving like a total dickhead. Ah! Yeah, it works. It really works. You are completely in
It feels
character.
good to be the boss for a day, you know?
I bet he does.
You know,
I bet he
it's
does.
time to put you in your place.
What I'm fucking excited for is when we get there and we selling the fact that you're the one buying the car.
Are you?
By the way, this is gonna be an epic one of those like inside jokes because only you and I know what the joke is.
No,
No
everyone's
one's.
gonna just think we're just idiots.
They're gonna be like, those two idiots are just filming themselves. Well, by the way, every guy getting delivery.
I know.
We can't look worse than all of those guys that have gotten delivery of their Cybertrucks. Ready? Let's go, Sergio Mondrin. By the way, guys, I don't know if you knew, but I have a Cybertruck tattoo. I'm the first idiot with one, and I'm the only idiot without a Cybertruck. So that's what's going
Until
on.
today.
Until today. Now I'm an idiot with a Cybertruck. That's right. Oh, look, B-roll.
Wow.
Get ready, huh? These stable-looking shots. That's right. It's fucking Sergio. At the end of this, people are gonna be like, why Sergio comes with you? You film so well.
Imagine that's the biggest realization. But you don't need me anymore.
I hate the day that we picked up the Cybertruck.
It's time.
Sergio
That's
Mondrin!
me.
That's right. No. This is El Pollo Loco, son. Where are
I'm
you going?
hungry.
You're going.
I'm the boss. I get to do what I want.
Or Poquetin. No, it's like Pokey Time. That's what I was gonna call the restaurant that I was gonna open.
Bogey time? Oh, there it is.
Pokey. The Cybertruck or what?
Wait,
Tesla?
I have to go this way?
No, dude, you're
I'm
going
gonna
right.
go over
What are you
here.
talking? Oh yeah, it's right there. Maybe you're receiving it on the right? No. You gotta make a U-turn. That's retarded. Okay. We just saw the Cybertruck outside. That was. Are you sure?
Well,
yeah. No customer parking. Where are you supposed to park?
Maybe over here?
Sergio
Keep
Mondrin.
going straight.
Let me see. No customer parking.
New vehicle pickup.
There's
There's a Cybertruck.
No customer parking. New vehicle. So what do you do?
I'm just gonna park back there. I'm the boss.
You. There you go.
I'm the boss. I get to park wherever I want.
You haven't even said a single curse word.
I just spent a lot of money on this Cybertruck. What are they gonna do? Not give it to me?
Let's just say that things like that have happened before, Mr. Sergio Mondrin. Oh, you're gonna park here?
Of course.
They're gonna be like, sir, please stay the fuck away from my property. Oh, there's a
They're
chick.
gonna see me in this outfit and they're gonna send me home.
You're good. Cause there goes my hero. Watch him as he goes.
I walk with a different level of confidence. Like there's Cybertrucks everywhere.
I don't want to see any until I see yours.
So we got some bad news.
Wait, I want to know what happened.
We got some bad news.
Okay.
Their systems are down.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
I'm not.
It doesn't matter if we change the person, the lucky still shit. Their system is down?
It's just, it's the shoes.
There's gotta be something in the outfit.
They're down there, so they'll call us in once they're ready to check in.
No.
Yeah.
You can't be serious.
I swear.
It's all in the details, right? You guys see like the red carpet right here? That is pretty cool. You check in, you have your red carpet. But also, whenever you're delivering Cybertrucks, these guys get the Cybertruck treatment with the red carpet, but not anyone else. By the way, there's a new Model 3 there. They look amazing. So just still waiting for his delivery to get done. So it's killing some time while we wait. And it's my job to film these things. I'm not doing a great job, but I'm trying. Don Salomondrin, you still waiting for your car?
I am. Their systems are still. I'm gonna go ask her now. See if we can get checked in.
I don't think with your luck, sir, it's gonna happen, but
Not
I'm here to
with my
serve you,
luck.
so tell me if I need
You
it.
brought the luck. You brought the luck right now.
Why are you blaming me? I'm Sergio.
I'm saying you brought the luck.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. Now we're gonna
Got it, so now we're gonna get it.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Give us an update. What they said. Why it's gonna take 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Now the system's
so
back
systems
up.
are back. Lady was very nice, and she's like, I hate to like build anticipation, but they're still buffing the car,
And what's buffing the car? What does that
getting
mean?
a nice finish on the metal. So
I mean, it's your car.
It's one of the first ones, so we'll see. We'll see with the condition that we get it. I'm hopeful. I'm trying to stay hopeful.
One eternity later.
Sergio Mondrin, what's going on? Dude, it's getting night. It's becoming nighttime.
the
What's
sun's
going
going
on?
down.
What's going on? Are you really getting a Cyber Beast or not?
Yes, we're getting a Cyber Beast.
Okay, so what's
They
going
did
on?
tell me that it is the second one that they've gotten.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good, but it's also one of the reasons why they want to make sure everything is good with the truck. So we got another hour to wait. So we're gonna go get some food.
And let me ask you something.
Yeah.
Did your Cybertruck advisor look very confident that in an hour it'll be ready?
Not at all. But it was very nice. So we'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
He is really nice. Oh my god. Of course.
It was a heavy truck day, as you put it.
That's
They're rampant production, I guess.
Later that night.
What a beautiful sunset.
What a beautiful sunset. The day has gone by.
Do you think you're getting it now?
I don't see one out. So
What's going on? Are we in a Twilight Zone episode or
it
something?
feels like I think like we got swiped.
Motherfucker! Now I'm cold, Sergio. How can you do
They're
this?
toasty. I'm toasty.
No.
I understand why you always wear pants now.
Yeah,
I get it.
yeah, because you're protected from the outside
I
like
look
that.
like a goof, but at least I'm comfortable.
Sergio, they're eliminating the VIP
They're taking
zone.
away the red carpet.
Everybody got their Cybertruck today in there except you.
Yep.
You know what? This is nice. This is a nice.
I really got to
lesson for you.
experience what it is like to be you.
It's like the lowest of the lowest, bottom tier of
Yeah,
everything.
I'm glad I don't have to do it for a day. I'm ready to be me tomorrow.
You're like, now I'm very thankful for my
Tomorrow I
life.
wake up, everything goes my way tomorrow. Everything. The moment I put on my shorts.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hell yeah.
Look at that.
Glunk. And we still got the red carpet treatment. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, buddy. That's all you, baby. That's all you. I've never seen one on the
You've never
inside.
seen it. This is crazy. Check it out.
Whoa. Balls. Whoa. Whoa-wee. 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 Wow. Oh, wow. Holy wow.
Wow.
The seats look incredible
Yeah.
in person, dude. Holy hell.
Yeah, dude.
This is an the light. I never saw that.
Wow.
This is wild.
This thing is nuts.
And let's confirm it's a Cyber Beast.
Ready? 3, 2.
Cyber Beast.
The bow.
Wow, the bow is going on it. Hell yeah.
There we go. That's proper.
Whoa.
If you guys see this
big
little
that thing
spoiler
is.
right
Oh, arrow, baby.
here, that keeps it down while it's wiping because there's so much air resistance on the.
Well, I can't imagine. Look at the size of that thing. Wow.
Man.
This is ridiculous in real life. I'm so glad that I waited until seeing this one in real life. It's official.
It's official. Only took 4 years, but it's
5.
5 years.
5 years. Wow. They're gonna race it.
It's currently racing. It does take a few minutes to get to
The highest level.
Yeah.
This is the tallest mode the car
It's
has.
still going a little bit. You can still hear
It's
it.
still going up higher, but we want to do a comparison of the before and the after. Wow. Drop it low. This is it.
Yeah.
All lowered.
This is what the entry mode.
You got to do the differences. I'm standing in the
Yeah.
same place.
Look at this. It's crazy. You really have like a foot
Yeah.
space there.
Sergio, show me.
It's a fish.
It's fucking
It's
official.
on, man.
Let's go, baby. Let's
Crazy.
go. Well, take your truck.
This
Cybermondrin.
is crazy. Cybermondrin is right. No, it's Sergio. It's Cyber Sergio now.
Oh, I don't think so. I don't think so. Get in there.
Let's see
Wow.
how this works.
I mean, obviously, we're gonna have to film this tomorrow because
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
a
we
little
lost
dark.
the day.
It's a little dark. Congratulations,
wow,
Don
thank you, man.
Sergio Mondrin.
Didn't feel real until now.
Let's go.
Look how good. Look at the lighting. It just, this thing's crazy.
It's so good.
I'm gonna do this for you. Ready?
Oh. Wait.
Oh, that's a good
There's
one.
nothing better than that. Can't return it now.
No!
Wait, was that a dream?